channel. It's been ages, I know, but I'm back. And in this video, I'm going to show you the tools that I've been using to make homemade baby foods for my baby boy Lucas. Are you going to say hello? Lucas? Say hello. Bilang hello. Hello everyone. Hello. It's me, Lucas. Hello. They are pretty much all on this table, as you can see, and I'm sure you probably recognize all of it except of this one. So I'm going to give more explanation about this one later, so make sure that you watch this video until the end. In this video, I'm not going to show you any specific tool to make baby foods because I don't have one. I thought about buying one though a couple of months ago, but I decided not to buy one. First, because if I buy it, I can only use it to make baby food. The second one, because it's over my budget. I think it's too expensive for what it is. But if you have the money, go for it. You can buy it, of course. I'm not against it because I heard also some pretty good things about it. It's easier and it's quick. You can just put everything inside and then ta-da! It's ready. But if you like to put a little bit more efforts with the tools that you actually already have in your kitchen, watch this video until the end because I am going to show you these all kitchen tools, how you actually use it to make your baby foods. So what are these actually? So the first one, what I'm going to show you, this is a steamer. So I need a steamer because I choose to steam my baby foods. I mean, like, you can use so many different ways of cooking or making your baby foods. You can boil it, you can roast it, you can grill it, you can slow cook it, you can do whatever you want, but I choose to steam it because I believe by steaming the food, the vitamins stay there the most. And of course, as parent, I want my baby, I want him to receive as much vitamins as possible from everything that he eats. The steamer, I actually bought it recently, a couple of months ago. My husband found it for me. I told him that I need a steamer, so he found this for me. My husband, he's really good finding things like electronic and kitchen tools. He's the best, and he found this. It's a German product. I think it's called, the brand, it's called Braun or something like that. Yeah, it's Braun, and it's made from plastic, but it's BPA free. So BPA, I think it stands for bisphenol A, if I'm not mistaken. It's like industrial chemical. The next one I need is like blender or like food processor or like hand blender. You can choose whatever you like, but I personally like a hand blender. So after the food's cooked in the steamer and it's ready, and I move it to like a storage cup like that. I received this when I bought this set of blenders. So after I blend the food and I'm sure that it's soft enough for my baby to consume, I move it to like storage cups like this. So the storage cups that I've been using, they are actually like breast milk storage cup. It's from Philips Avent. And yeah, they actually have special special storage cup for baby foods, but I decided not to buy them because this works perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm going to write all details on the description below. And thank you very much for watching my video. Now he's awake. I think it's time. He smells a little bit, so I need to change his diapers. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope I see you again on the next video. Bye bye.